Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Weaverville, California. We're at it again. It's a Sunday, and we are looking at a beautiful 1978 Toyota FJ40. We're over at my buddy Cheryl's place. You may remember back in the day we sold her a Triumph, and she's done with another one. I think she said she had more than 20 Land Cruisers, lots and lots of classic cars, and she is definitely an old school classic car gal. So I got a few pictures when she purchased it and what it looked like when she started with it, but this is how it looks today. She's got her people, you know, her paint guy and her mechanic, and they help her get these cars started. And what did she call it? It's a pavement queen. Never taken it off-road. Obviously it has that capability, but she's never done it. Made a couple cool custom touches, but it is just a killer 1978 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. You notice right off the bat, it's got a 5.7 liter Vortec V8 engine. She's got the bow tie there to show it. We got a worn winch. We got a 4-speed manual transmission. We got 33 12.5 17-inch rims. Those nice fuel aftermarket rims. All the glass is good. She's in solid condition. It's got front disc brakes from PSC. It's got a factory roll bar. It's got vintage air, blows ice cold. It's got a 30-gallon gas tank that's under the seats. It's got aftermarket seats here. I think she said they were out of a Subaru. The mileage says 58,547 TMU, true miles unknown. Looks like the gauges are functioning. Not sure about the oil and the temp, but they got an aftermarket gauge over here. Tag is intact. She's got a kill switch up here. One of those is a kill switch. And she's got Dynamat in here, and that keeps the AC nice. You know, we're out in the greater Redding area. It's super hot out here. We're deep in fire season. We hear them flying today. But you know, it's overcast, and it's 99, 100 degrees out today. So it's got a rear locker. It's got a 2-inch lift. It's got Emu suspension. It's got that electric seat that she said came out of the Subaru. It was repainted, the original color. They did a nice job. I see some metallic in there. It's real pretty. Really stands out. And she's got that sound deadening Dynamat. You know, try to keep it a little quieter, which really isn't, you know, but it's mostly for the AC. Mostly for the AC. Keeps it nice and cold inside. And yeah, just a sweet rig. Really nice. It's got the jump seats back here. I took a bunch of stills. Please check them out. PlattMotors.com. There's the roll bar. She's got some lights on there, some LEDs. There's the back of the Subaru seats, electric Subaru seats. they look a little old school. And then you can see, you know, the tanks there underneath. It originally came with an 11-gallon tank. Weren't getting far with that, so she opted to put the big ones in there. But all the glass is good. Well, I think I see a couple scratches in that rear one. Looks like they're tinted. That's your filler. Let's take a peek on this side. The door panel looks pretty good. I see 2 tape marks. There must have been holes there. So we got some tape. We want to disclose that. There's the passenger Subaru seat. I don't see any rips or tears. And she drives this thing to work every day. Sits outside in the parking lot, local businesswoman. Everybody loves it. Everybody comments of it. Sticks out in a good way. But she says she's getting up there. It's getting a little bit harder to get in and out, and to drive the 3 pedals. So that's the reason I got the call to come out. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, now in historic Weaverville, California. I buy, sell, trade, and consign classic cars, and my consignment program is pretty popular these days, and I like it. I'm working for the folks, trying to do the best we can, what the market will bear, and help them get these cars sold and get these beautiful California cars to their next owner, next location. Worn winch. I took some stills of it. It's in good shape. Some of the suspension underneath there. It's high enough to where I can crawl under and get some really good undercarriage pictures. So please check them out, plattmotors.com. You can also see my cars and Hemmings, classiccars.com, Auto Trader Classics, classic.com, and my own website. You can text me anytime you want, 707-599-9448. You can call me at the same number. Email is plattmotors@gmail.com. And so, yeah, this is it, man. This is the next one. This is a killer Toyota Land Cruiser. And I know these have gotten really, really popular in the last decade or so. And so, yeah, got a good one for you. It's been well sorted, and sure works with good people. They do stuff right. And here you go. I saw a couple scratches over here. I wanted to point out. I took some stills, and let's see if we can get the hood open. I may have to put you down for a second. So she put these on. These were on a later FJ. She didn't like the look of the old school ones, so she put those on. And then, you know, it had the hooks. So they removed the hooks and they fabricated these things in here to release the hood. See if we can see it. Thought they were in there. There was one on each side, and I'm fumbling now. I only got 2 hands, but I opened it up before. I took a bunch of still pictures, and it looks great. It's got its original tag under there as well, you know, data plate style tag. And look at that thing. It's got a great look to it. The only thing that wasn't painted, she was anxious to get it back, was the dash. So it's not as smooth and glamorous as the rest of the rig's looking. But totally functional. Got that kill switch. Got the Vortec. the GM power plant. And yeah, I think this is one of my first Land Cruisers, maybe my first. I'm pretty excited. I got the call. I did go last time, sent the Triumph to a guy in Texas, and I remember it went pretty quick. And so it doesn't always happen like that, but we got lucky. Sent it down the road, and she's been referring me ever since. And fortunately, I got the call to come back up and represent this vehicle. So you got any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. Michael Platt, Platt Motors. Historic Weaverville, California, 707-599-9448. Give me a call. This thing will take you anywheres. All the heavy lifting's been done. Now it's just time for you to come in and enjoy it. That's the way to do it. Somebody else spent the money, and you come in and enjoy it. Give me a buzz. Appreciate you looking at my videos. Thanks for riding along. I'm heading down to San Francisco. I may even hop a flight to the East Coast. And Platt Motors, a family legacy since 1931. Thanks again, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.